Hey everyone, welcome to Thailand, the land of smiles. I'm so excited to take you on a journey to explore the best tourist spots in this amazing country. Get ready for an adventure packed with beautiful temples, stunning beaches, yummy food, and the kindness of Thai people. Our first stop is Bangkok, the heart of Thailand. This exciting city is a mix of old traditions and modern things. You'll find beautiful temples like Wat Arun standing tall by the Chao Phraya River. The Grand Palace, a huge and impressive building, will leave you amazed. Get lost in the busy alleys of Chatuchak Weekend Market, a shopper's dream, or enjoy the street food in Chinatown. Next we head north to Chiang Mai, a city full of history and culture. Explore the old temples in the old city, each with its own special story. Don't miss Doi Suthep, a temple on a mountain with amazing views. For a really special experience, meet rescued elephants at the Elephant Nature Park. Now, let's escape to the sunny beaches of Phuket, Thailand's biggest island. Patong Beach is the most famous, known for its exciting nightlife and water sports. Take a boat trip to Phang Nga Bay, where huge limestone cliffs rise from the clear water. Discover the peacefulness of the Big Buddha statue, and for a luxurious getaway, visit the Phi Phi Islands. Get ready to be amazed by the beauty of Krabi, a place known for its incredible limestone cliffs, clean beaches and hidden lagoons. Railay Beach, which you can only reach by boat, is perfect for rock climbers and people who want some peace. Take a swim in the Emerald Pool, a natural hot spring in the rainforest. Close to Bangkok, Pattaya is a city that's always buzzing. Visit the Sanctuary of Truth, a temple made of intricately carved wood, or escape to the peaceful Coral Island for a day of snorkeling and sunbathing. And for something really different, watch a Tiffany's show, a spectacular cabaret performance. Travel back in time at Ayutthaya, the old capital of Thailand. Explore the ruins of old temples, palaces and monasteries, each with its own story. Wat Mahathat, with its famous Buddha head covered in tree roots, is a must-see. Koh Samui, the second biggest island in Thailand, is perfect for luxury and relaxation. Explore the unique rock formations of Hin Ta and Hin Yai, visit the Grand Big Buddha Temple, or take a boat to Ang Thong National Marine Park. Hidden in the mountains of northern Thailand, Pai is a peaceful place for nature lovers. Hike to the top of Pai Canyon for amazing views, relax in natural hot springs, or just wander through the colorful streets. Pai is perfect for escaping the city and enjoying nature. Koh Phi Phi, made famous by the movie The Beach, is a true tropical paradise. Visit Maya Bay, relax on the white sands of Bamboo Island, or go snorkeling or diving to see the colorful underwater world. Koh Phi Phi is a place you won't forget. Our last stop is Sukhothai, the dawn of happiness and the very first capital of Thailand. Explore the Sukhothai Historical Park, home to the ruins of old temples, palaces and moats. Sukhothai shows us Thailand's amazing past, and is a perfect way to end our trip. I hope this video makes you want to experience the magic of Thailand yourself. Here are some tips. The best time to visit is during the cool and dry season from November to February. For transportation, try the local tuk-tuks, songtheus and long-tail boats. So, start planning your trip and get ready to experience the warmth, beauty and amazing things